So today's project is going to be retrofitting your RMAX knee pads onto the YXZ. So the right side console is angled just right to where it doesn't really hurt banging my knee into there. And the left side, this bone hits right there. So I bought some RMAX outer knee pads, and I think I'll put the price in the description. And normally this is like this on the RMAX. I'm probably gonna orient this like this. That way if other people drive, they can take advantage of it. So I made a template. I'm going to tape it in place and drill holes. First thing I've done is I've removed my door skin. There's 6 screws, 3 in the bottom there, and then 1 up top, and 2 inboard, because I need to drill through this to access the nipples to hold them through. But there's it's mounted, and I always carry a spare piece of foam in my glove box just to hold the door open when I'm working on this. So I'm going to drill the holes and drill it through to the other side. So I've drilled my holes. I used a 1/4 inch drill bit. Just for kicks, I drilled this a little bit larger to see if it would make it easier to insert the nipple without it pulling back out, but it's too big. So 1/4 inch is what you want to go with. I'm going to try and use a jeweler screwdriver to push it in and see if I can get the nipples in there without having to drill through the other side. So we'll see how that works. I'll get the bottom nipples in just by taking my screwdriver and pushing on each side of the ears, and they're in there. So I'll do the top next. A little bit of soapy water and jeweler screwdriver, and it went in without having to drill through the other side. And that feels a whole lot better on this bone right here. Now Yamaha does make a padding kit for the YXZ. I'll link that as well for those of you. Shut up, birds. I'll link that for you as well if you don't want to drill holes in your doors. But I really like this. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more Yamaha modifications that are cheap, effective, carb-free, gluten-free, ketogenic, and mini donkey approved. Thank you.